strategy. You can't trade kicks with less than 20 seconds. Well, next up, we've got Himanshu Kaushik take on Musa Raish.
New Delhi, make some noise for Himanshu Kaushik!
All right, so Himanshu Kaushik returns to Matrix Fight Night. He's back here again tonight, and he'll be fighting Musa Raish. Now, John, Manan was talking about Himanshu. Himanshu is a veteran fighter.
और इन्होंने जो अपना फाइट कैंप किया है वो किया है बाली में, सोमा में अपना फाइट कैंप किया है. MMA is a dangerous sport and you have to make sure the people officiating this sport do it properly. So the Global Association of Mixed Martial Arts Federations is the best.
An opponent making his way to the cage, Musa Raish!
और अब केज की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं मूसा रैश. With every fight he has become better. इन्होंने अपनी गेम को इंप्रूव किया है. बहुत तेजी से इन्होंने अपने आप को एक हाई लेवल का MMA फाइटर बनाया है. So it's sort of a match between a veteran and somebody who's relatively new on the block.
Over to Jared.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 56.7 kilograms, representing New Delhi. Make some noise for Himanshu Kaushik! And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 56.6 kilograms, representing Gujarat. Give it up for Musa Raish! Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Daniel Isaac.
Let's have a good fight, okay guys? When I ask you to stop, please stop. Protect yourself at all times. Touch gloves if you want to or step back.
फ्लाईवेट का एक जबरदस्त मुकाबला शुरू होने जा रहा है. ब्लैक एंड ब्लू ट्रंक्स में है मूसा रैश, व्हाइट एंड ब्लू ट्रंक्स में है हिमांशु कौशिक.
Himanshu taking it easy.
बहुत ही बढ़िया किक सीधा हेड पे.
Whoa, what a slam!
What a takedown.
कमाल का टेक डाउन यहाँ पे गाइस.
Another one!
वाओ, हिमांशु इज ऑन फायर हियर. किक से शुरुआत करी और उसके बाद दो खतरनाक स्लैम मारे हिमांशु ने यहाँ पे.
John, this is the kind of international experience that Himanshu has, and we are watching it at display here.
I am very impressed with his wrestling right now.
And now Musa fires back with a head kick of his own. John, what do you think is going through Musa's head right now after eating those two slams?
I'm thinking, you can already see it, he's widened his stance just a little bit. You can see how wide his stance is now, going to try to prevent those takedowns, which ultimately open him up for striking.
I think Musa is reworking on his strategy. You can't trade kicks with Wushuka.
That low kick rattled Musa, but then he caught the next one and charged into Himanshu, trying to take him down. But so far, Himanshu is doing a great job defending that takedown.
So far, Himanshu has done an excellent job here. Two takedowns, one after the other one, and excellent kick combinations.
Excellent is right. I loved that. Nice low kick into the nice high switch kick right to the head, guys. Himanshu doing a great job of keeping pressure on the cage here. Nice inside leg
कोशिश में यहाँ हिमांशु. अच्छा अंडर हुक लगा रखा है हिमांशु ने यहाँ पे. पंचेस भी मार रहे हैं बीच में, नीज भी मार रहे हैं. बढ़िया प्रेशर डाल रखा है इस टाइम मूसा के ऊपर.
Musa trying to create a little bit of distance with that right hand so he can slip in a nasty little elbow.
Himanshu here persistently trying to force Musa against the cage.
And you know, Himanshu seems very comfortable here. He's okay just staying here, throwing a few shots in between, throwing a knee strike, and taking his time with that takedown. He's in no rush.
Yeah, he realizes he has 5 minutes here, 5-minute rounds.
Musa throwing in those short elbows, not doing any damage to Himanshu. Himanshu is persistent. He's got that Muay Thai clinch with both the underhooks.
Yeah, dual underhooks up against the cage. Both guys are scrambling here. Himanshu doing a good job in these scrambles to find himself back on the outside, pressuring.
Yes, all the pressure right now is on Musa, especially after that explosive start, John. Musa is now feeling the pressure. उनको भी कुछ करने की जरूरत है अब इस फाइट में. और फिलहाल हिमांशु दबाव डालते हुए मूसा के ऊपर.
Musa looks a little bit helpless here. With Himanshu Kaushik pinning him against the cage.
Himanshu with that body lock is almost like an anaconda or a python stuck on you, squeezing you here.
और बीच में एक पंच भी लगाया वहां हिमांशु ने और ये मिलने ही वाला था टेक डाउन, लेकिन मूसा ने अच्छा काम किया अपनी तरफ ले जाने का इसको, पर अंत में आए हिमांशु टॉप पर और यही चाहते थे हिमांशु काफी देर से. अब उनको ये पोजीशन मिल चुकी है. देखते हैं यहां से क्या करते हैं वो. ग्राउंड एंड पाउंड की कोशिश जरूर रहेगी.
Himanshu once again doing a great job. Daniel Isaac calling for action here.
अब यहां से कहीं ना कहीं हिमांशु स्पेस बना के ग्राउंड एंड पाउंड करने की कोशिश जरूर करेंगे और वो वही कर रहे हैं. खड़े हो रहे हैं ताकि उन्हें थोड़ी जगह मिले और वो अच्छे से अटैक कर सकें, पंचेस मार सकें, डोमिनेट कर सकें.
So John, you saw that Musa was trying to close the guard, but then Himanshu didn't let it do. He stood up, and that's the technique.
Yes, it is. And you know something else that Himanshu is doing a great job is utilizing his head on the jaw and head of Musa. It's preventing him from walking up, getting up on the cage, or really pulling any type of submission techniques.
Himanshu throwing in those mad shots.
स्पेस बनाया मूसा ने अपने आप को बचाते हुए उस खतरनाक ग्राउंड एंड पाउंड से.
Some intelligent fighting here by Himanshu Kaushik.
और आखिरी 10 सेकंड बचे हैं इस राउंड में. कोई जल्दी नहीं हिमांशु को किसी भी तरह की. खड़े होके किक्स मारने में बहुत ही खुश लग रहे हैं फिलहाल. एक और किक. आई थिंक ये राउंड यहीं खत्म होगा विद मूसा ऑन हिज बैक.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was round 1. Excellent fighting skills and high IQ in display by Himanshu Kaushik against Musa Raish.
I'd agree with that, Raul.
जब स्ट्राइकिंग में थी तो भी हिमांशु हावी पड़ रहे थे. जब फाइट ग्राउंड पे गई तो भी काफी हावी थे हिमांशु. इस टाइम पे क्या सोच रहे होंगे मूसा रैश, क्या रणनीति लेके आए होंगे इस दूसरे राउंड में.
Guys, one thing I want to point out here is Himanshu is doing a really good job of setting up his strikes and keeping his lead leg on the outside of Musa's lead leg.
एक अच्छी किक मारी वहां मूसा ने जवाब में. दोनों ही फाइटर अपना टाइम लेते हुए, हिमांशु खासकर बहुत रिलैक्स्ड और कूल लग रहे हैं इस फाइट में.
Himanshu changing stances to set up a combination.
A combination or a spin kick?
Well, you don't know, he's a wushu guy, so he's got kicks all the way coming in from all across.
Musa's gonna need to start blocking those kicks.
Well, Musa looks a bit desperate here.
काफी टेलीग्राफ कर रहे हैं मूसा अपने पंचेस को. रीच करते हुए अंदर जाते हैं. इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी टू डिफेंड देम.
100%, man. And
Look at the speed.
See there again, he's telegraphing those punches. It's very easy for Himanshu to see Musa's attacks coming.
And you know what? He's countering those with those nice inside leg kicks. Every time he comes in and telegraphs, he gets a kick right to the inside of his leg.
I think this is a part of the plan. Himanshu is making Musa look desperate here to land shots.
Oh, अच्छे punches land हुए इस बार मूसा के लिए. और यहाँ पे टेक डाउन की कोशिश फिलहाल हिमांशु डिफेंड करते हुए. क्या बात है, लेकिन अंत में टेक डाउन मिल ही गया मूसा को. और यही चाहते थे मूसा बहुत टाइम से. अब उनको ये पोजीशन मिल गई है.
Musa takes Himanshu down, but again may not be in his favor because he's at the corner where Himanshu has his entire team and the coach.
Guys, one thing to notice right here is that Musa does have Himanshu's legs completely locked, and he's doing a really good job of isolating his hips, which is preventing him from escaping this position.
बिल्कुल जॉन, अच्छा कंट्रोल किया हुआ है मूसा ने फिलहाल हिमांशु को. पर ये कितनी देर तक कर पाएंगे ये देखना है हमको.
Musa's going to want to crawl up his body here and try to get into mount from this position.
अगर मूसा को यहाँ माउंट पोजीशन मिल जाती है तो काफी खतरनाक हो सकता है हिमांशु के लिए.
Well, it won't be easy to get the mount from here, especially when Himanshu is defending. And
Yes.
John, Himanshu is throwing in those short elbows, and he's also got Musa's arm locked.
Back in the full guard here. Oh, the rubber guard.
Man, I like that guard. What if we get to see a Gogo Plata or an Omo Plata here? Or he's actually going for it.
बहुत अच्छा सेटअप
He is
करते हुए
going for
नजर
it.
आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे हिमांशु. देखिए उनकी टांग कैसे मूसा के सर तक आ गई है. This also shows how calm Himanshu is, even though he is under Musa at the moment.
Well, also shows how flexible he is.
He is certainly flexible, guys. There is no doubt about that. He does look extremely calm, and I like how he continuously looks back at his corner to get advice.
1 मिनट 20 सेकंड पड़े हैं इस राउंड में अभी भी. मैं देखना चाहूंगा मूसा की तरफ से कुछ एक्शन. उनके पास पोजीशन है. अब मैं यहां से कुछ एक्शन देखना चाहूंगा. स्ट्राइकिंग करें, गार्ड पास करें, पॉइंट स्कोर करें.
With forward pressure like this from Musa, I would not be surprised if Himanshu tries to throw up a triangle here.
Himanshu also throwing in those vicious elbows.
Those toxic elbows.
काफी फायदा होता है जब आप बॉटम पोजीशन से भी स्ट्राइकिंग कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि जो टॉप पे होता है उनका गेम प्लान थोड़ा सा बिगड़ता है अगर आप नीचे से एल्बोज मार रहे हैं और नीचे से भी स्ट्राइकिंग का खतरा है.
Himanshu doesn't seem very concerned with escaping this position, but rather creating a little bit of space and raining down those short little elbows.
Yeah, John, I agree. He seems very relaxed here. He wants to take his time.
Very relaxed.
And I think he's also planning up a triangle from there. You can see that movement coming up.
I'd agree with that.
He literally wants to continue fighting from this position. I don't think he's even attempted a single sweep or escape yet.
He certainly has not. But these little rabbit punches and these short little elbows take their toll.
And round 2 comes to an end, ladies and gentlemen. What a fight.
Both these guys look a little bit tired here.
तीसरा और आखिरी राउंड होता है शुरू.
John, I think Musa will be all in for this round because he knows probably that he's lost the previous two.
I would agree with that, Raul. And one thing that I'm noticing right here is a lot of weight on Himanshu's lead leg. I wonder if he's setting up a takedown or perhaps a spin kick.
That was a lovely switch kick from Musa.
A bit of discussion here between the two. Musa says, kick me on the calf. Himanshu says, wait for it.
काफी अग्रेशन के साथ शुरू किया है मूसा ने ये राउंड. और ये देखिए दोनों फाइटर एक दूसरे से बात करते हुए. मूसा काफी जोश में लग रहे हैं. एक बढ़िया बॉडी किक लगाई वहां पे.
Back to it, guys.
बहुत ही तगड़ा मुक्का लगाया वहां मूसा ने. हिल गए 1 सेकंड के लिए हिमांशु.
Himanshu has his MMA toolbox ready. He knows what Musa is going to do. If Musa is up for a brawl, Himanshu will put up a brawl.
He's throwing wild punches, guys.
Yes, these are extremely wild. I would much prefer Musa to stay in tight and be a little bit more calculated because Himanshu has such good fight IQ. He's not going to be able to hit him, I think.
Even though he's landed a few of those.
I call them desperate shots. Whoa!
और हिमांशु ने अपनी तरफ से एक मुक्का लगाया और डबल लेग के लिए गए, लेकिन छोड़ दिया उस अटेम्प्ट को वहां पे. हार्ड शॉट्स एक्सचेंज किए दोनों ने. मूसा नीचे है इस टाइम, हिमांशु उनके ऊपर. साइड कंट्रोल में यहाँ हिमांशु.
Big right hand.
Big, massive right hand. We've got Himanshu on the side control now. Musa on the ground.
Himanshu doing a really good job here of keeping Musa from being able to escape by blocking his shoulder and his hips here.
Some really intelligent fighting here by Himanshu Kaushik.
मूसा हिमांशु के रिस्ट को लॉक करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं. आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज ही ट्राइंग टू अटेम्प्ट देयर.
Back to the same position. We've got Himanshu Kaushik on his feet, Musa on the ground, and this is a flyweight battle. Both these guys are really quick.
Both of them back on their feet now.
Another takedown by Himanshu.
Was a nice right hand right before that takedown that set it up by Himanshu. Himanshu with great top pressure from this position, and something I'm going to keep going back to. Every time he gets in that side control, you'll look at where his knees are. He is blocking Musa from being able to shrimp out and get out of that position by blocking his shoulders and his hips.
Well, that's some really technical fighting here and international experience at display.
Musa getting back to full guard here. Good
Well,
position.
I'm sure so far Himanshu has been able to impress the judges.
और दोनों फाइटर एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ बोल रहे हैं एक दूसरे को. क्या बात है, इस मुकाबले में आ गई है गर्मी.
I don't know if they've impressed the judges, but they've certainly impressed us.
For sure, for sure. So both these guys talking to each other and asking what you got next.
शुरुआत में हमने सोचा था कि हिमांशु टेकडाउन्स को अवॉइड करेंगे, लेकिन फाइट में हमने देखा हिमांशु खुद टेकडाउन ले रहे हैं और उसके बाद बहुत अच्छा कंट्रोल भी कर रहे हैं फाइट को नीचे.
Musa looking for a triangle or an armbar in this position here. Himanshu says no way. Nice up kick right to the face of Himanshu.
I think when it's the third round, wow, a little belly dancing there by Himanshu.
Showboating. Himanshu giving some time for Musa to get up on his feet because Himanshu wants the battle to be on the feet.
They are certainly tired. Look how flat-footed both fighters are standing in the center of the cage here.
बढ़िया राइट ओवरहैंड लैंड नहीं हुआ, लेकिन
Both these guys are still in there. A lot of showboating showing in their chins.
Nice kick by Musa here.
ये दोनों ही फाइटर यहाँ बहुत सीरियस तरीके से लड़ने आए हैं.
Less than 20 seconds. Oh!
What a
What a
takedown!
Nice overhand into a sweep right there by Himanshu.
Beautiful combination.
Himanshu
Solid
humbling
मुक्का
Musa with
लगाया.
that slam and the dance. Now a bit of jogging here. And that's it. That's it. What a
कमाल
fight,
की
guys.
fight.
That was a
कमाल
good
की
fight,
fight.
guys.
Very entertaining.
John, this is the kind of experience, Himanshu brings into the cage.
What a fight. What a performance by Himanshu Kaushik.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Azim scored the bout 27-30. Judge Akib scored the bout 29-28. Judge Shubham scored the bout 28-29. Declaring the winner by split decision from the blue corner, Himanshu Kaushik.